Going to shopping.
Shopping. Ano, best? Oreo, God, Oreo.
Oreo.
Kami na mag-Oreo.
Ako na mag-video. Sir Steven, Frozen is Frozen here is Shopper's Nest because we need to
Oreo.
grocery. And Sir Steve, your favorite Oreo and cheesecake. Yakult for the frozen up son. And syempre, Frozen is need. She put shampoo. Frozen put the shampoo because she need every day.
And then
Shampoo and keratin. And syempre soap. Everyone's need shampoo and soap. And syempre, Sir Steven, Frozen is put the diapers because for the her son. She choose sizes.
strawberry Sprite and then drink.
This is what do you call that? Sunrocks.
Chlorine.
Frozen choose diaper, and she diaper because her son. And Sir Steven, I was Frozen here in Frozen. Sir Steven, she put she pick a noodle, some noodles, and Frozen pick a Bear Brand milk for her son, for her son.
Coffee. Your coffee.
And she pick coffee, coffee every day, and coffee the morning. Bakit? Sir Steven, ayan, Frozen happy because you give share the blessing Frozen. And Sir Steve, I'm here at Cannes area. Cannes area. Like Century Tuna, Bingo, San Marino, Cannes.
She pick some canned goods.
She pick some canned goods. Canned goods. Sir Steven, Sir Steven, I'm sorry because my English is not good. Frozen is happy. Oh, look the Frozen smile. Here, Dulce pick
I buy cologne.
and then
For my babies and
Powder.
ano, powder.
baby powder.
And ano, soap para beautiful.
Ay!
Buy them for
So,
small good. It smell good.
wow, your underarm is not good. And Sir Steven, I'm here at area of my bread. Frozen pick kind of assorted bread. Like, say may libreng lapis. Sir Steven, we have free ball pencil and
ruler.
yes.
And then Oreo.
Sir Steven, your favorite
Mini Oreo.
Yes.
Yung ano naman, yung mga powder.
And Frozen here at the counter. Wait lang, we'll go.
Thank you very much, Sir Steve.
Everyone, please go to the outside because crowded.
Yung anong ganyan naman.
Ay, ito amoy na no.
Hindi.
Malaking gusto namin.
Wala nang ganyan. Wala nga dito kaya sabi ko yan. Oo, siya ito.
Hindi naman siya malapit to eh.
Sir Steve, shopping there.
Friends.
Friends.
My friends.
My friends.
Here's Sir Steven. Sir Steven here at the counter. Frozen is pay here in the counter, Sir Steven.
Ako dito.
May bukod na magkasama.
Bukod sila.
Thirsty, we're buying 2 rice. Ano po yung pinakamura niyong bigas? 3. Isang sako nga po. Thank you very much, Sir Steven. Yan, Sir Steve.
Alright guys. Dito po ngayon kami guys. Dahil nagbabayad po si
Kuryente.
Ano masarap po. Guys, bayad ang pinili natin. Diba kanina sabi mo, bakit nag-galing ka pa pinili mo? Sabi nga, bakit pa nag-galing ka pinili mo? Hindi ka maya. Sir, boyfriend, thank you very, very much for helping Frozen. Thirsty, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless po, God bless you more. Thank you. God bless. Very, very happy for Frozen, Thirsty. Yes.
Thank you very much, Sir Steve.
She deserves it.
Yeah.
Lahat na ng kiss, nagawa na na rin. Makagarinig pala. Tama eh. Makagarinig daw pala. Alam mo na lang, babe. Ganda daw. Ano po, nagagaling na. Gagaling na ako. Ano mo yung ating nabigla ka o? Dapat nakaibig. Ano ba ko pa? Best order niyo.
Kaya no. Bart.
Sir, boyfriend for you.
For you, Sir Steve. Dito pa humarap. Meron. Right. Nandito po tayo sa bahay ni Ate Dulce. Ayan. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat, Mara. Ha? Oh, kanina pa tambuhay yun eh.
Wow, may to. May tambay ba sa kuko niya?
Hindi ko na alam. Thank you very much, Sir Steven.